Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Mac model and creating a full-time machine backup. This prevents data loss if something fails. Next, download the Big Sur installer and an open core or Clover build that supports your model. This is essential because driver injection differs by bootloader. Then gather Lilu, whatever green Intel framebuffer kexts, and the right SSDT for HD 4000. Once you have these, you're ready to build a custom EFI. Don't skip matching SMBIOS because the GPU quirks depend on it. You'll now mount the EFI and copy the kexts into the bootloader's kex folder, making sure Lilu loads before whatever green and the framebuffer kext. Edit config. Plist. Inject device properties for the HD 4000, apply the correct IG platform ID, and include framebuffer patches tailored to your SMBIOS so connectors match. Then rebuild kernel caches and reset NVRAM to ensure Mac OS sees the new drivers. If you do this methodically, the system will initialize the GPU rather than falling back to software rendering. Once configured, boot into Big Sur and open System Report to verify the Intel HD 4000 is recognized with proper VRAM and display outputs. That confirms success. If you encounter artifacts or no acceleration, swap IG platform ID values, toggle framebuffer patches, or remove any third-party GPU injectors that interfere. Small changes can fix connector mapping. Make sure to keep a USB recovery with your original EFI and a copy of a known good config. Plist so you can roll back quickly if a change breaks display output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.